How to fix Apple Music playlist disappeared. First, what you want to do is you want to head to your phone settings. From the very top, you want to head to your Apple ID. Now select the option of subscriptions. If you are subscribed to Apple Music, then it should be shown right here. If it does appear on this tab, then it means that you have no problem related to your subscription. Moving on, you again want to head back. You want to scroll down and find music. You want to go to that option. Then make sure that all of the toggles here are turned on. Lastly, what you can do is you want to go to General. Here you'll be able to see the option of iPhone storage. All you need to do is you need to find music again. Since I don't have that option, I'm just going to show it through Instagram. You want to go ahead and offload the app. That is going to get rid of any of the junk that you have on your Apple Music. And that is how you fix Apple Music playlist disappearing. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.